Let's make some sauteed potatoes. So we start by washing our potatoes to remove all of the dirt. Alright, let's slice these guys up. Be careful not to cut your hands, of course. I have some boiling water on the stove with some salt. I'm going to add it to the pot and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Try not to overcook them. As you can see, these are a little bit too cooked, but they're still workable. We're adding olive oil to a hot skillet pan. Then we're going to be adding some chopped red onions and some sliced garlic, of course. The next thing we want to do, we want to go ahead and add our potatoes as well. We're going to saute these until they become nice and colorful. Just garnish with some chopped parsley and sprinkle with some Parmesan cheese. If you like the video, guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Until the next video, walk good.